drawing and coloring, singing, reading, collecting stamps, playing a musical instrument, gardening, cooking and baking, origami and paper crafts, building with Lego or blocks, photography, acting and drama, puzzle solving, sports, swimming, birdwatching, camping, exploration, chess, robotics and coding, clay modeling and sculpting, magic tricks, knitting or crochet, astronomy, jewelry making, painting, board games and card games, yoga,